Hi everyone! Today we are gonna make some of Christmas decor with these Christmas balls. I always get a lot of these balls from my family because they want to throw it away, but I love to reuse it and I don't want that it ends up in the trash. And as you see, they're still okay. So you just need one jar. You can, everything that I show you, you can even improvise. If you don't have like this, you can use some plastic, just wrap around with some beautiful paper and that's it. Inside I put the newspaper, old if I'm honest, and on top I just put this some paper I have it gold and that's it. Now we're gonna glue all these balls with glue pistol. Already like this as I prepared. I already did some plan how should I put them before. But afterwards, at the end, I always do it a bit different. So this one is gonna be red and gold combination. So I'm just gonna put it all around all these balls that I have prepared here. So for now it's like this. I was thinking to put here some pine cone. And we're gonna put this small one here to fill this gap. So for now it's like this, and here I have a surprise for you. I'm gonna put this one here, and we're gonna make a nice little angel from this pine cone. So we're just adding the wings. I'm not even gonna glue the wings. And our Christmas bouquet is finished. So you can always give or take away something. I just want to show you, like, for some idea, or maybe you get some inspiration. Here I have to fill the gap also. And here on the jar, I'm just gonna see, maybe I will add some gold thing, or maybe I will just write Merry Christmas or Happy New Year with this gold glitter. So I really hope you like this idea, or that I gave you some inspiration. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a really lovely day. Ciao.